Hello again friends, this is Ray Photography 27 and this time still on the Ferrari F40 as you already may seen in my thumbnail, but this is the red color. Maybe you already expect with the same model because this is just the color variant, but let's check it out if there's some interesting in the different color of this F40 for you. Alright friends, so this is the GT Spirit Ferrari F40 1/8 scale resin sealed model car. This is the limited edition. This is the bottom of the box, as you can see. GT291 118 F40 red. Alright, if you are following me and if you are subscribing me on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram, I'm the one that also focused to collecting this model of F40. I already got the Burago, I already got the Burago, and then I've got some Mayoret small scale and Hayoso the smaller scale again, and this will be the add-on of my collection. So this is the box, the look of the box. It has some matte black, which is nice and exclusive look. So let's check it out, the content. Alright guys, so this is the red version of GT Spirit Ferrari F40, as you can see in here. Really nice, isn't it? Right, this is a resin model, so expect nothing can be open. It comes with the red bucket seat. This is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the front. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the rear. This is how it looks at the bottom. This one is 2100 limited edition, and I've got the 1330 number. Alright, so yep, GT Spirit goes to Ferrari now. In my opinion, it's okay, but some of the collectors said that the bucket seat is just too high, the positions and some of the things that not too proportional. But for me, I'm just added this as well my collection, because I already got two 1/8 scale from the Burago that can be open all with the Diecast material. So I bought this one for my add-on for the Ferrari F40 lineup, and this is nice because it comes with the disc brake front and rear. You know, the detail of the headlamp is also nice. There's also the defogger, as you can see there, the line on the headlights. And then yep, the engine bay, even though we just can enjoy from the exterior, but yep, if you are the Ferrari F40 fans, yeah, I recommend you to buy this one as one of your add-on lineup of F40, since this is the limited edition. Let me know your thoughts about these models. Thank you for watching the short review. After this, I will make the cinematic view and the photo session. So make sure you are watch until the end, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my Instagram for seeing these models and photo session, outdoor and indoor. Alright, thank you so much friends. See you next time. Bye bye.